organization as a scientist. In 1969, he joined the Organization of Indian Space Research. Kalam sir served as the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle 3 project director. His experience in space science made him known as the Missile Man of India. He was the 11th President of India. We salute this brave sir. A happy birthday to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ji sir. Thank you. My name is Kanya. Today I am going to speak about APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was the 11th President of India. Having born in a humble family, APJ Abdul Kalam sold newspapers to make ends meet. He had born in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. He played a pivotal role in Pokhran 2, India's nuclear test at Pokhran in 1998. He penned down his autobiography named Wings of Fire in the year 1999. He was the prestigious Bharat Ratna awardee in the year 1997. APJ Abdul Kalam was famous as the People's President. He loves to spend time with children and encourage them to dream big and achieve great things in life. He also encouraged people to plant trees and protect earth. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Subhika Sri from 3C class. Now I am going to deliver a speech on Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is a famous name in the whole world. He is counted among the greatest scientists of 21st century. Even more, he becomes the 11th President of India in 2002 and served his country. He was the most valued person of the country as his contribution as a scientist and as a president. From that, his contribution to the ISRO remarkable. ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a man of simplicity and integrity. He was so busy at work that he raises up early in the morning and worked till late hours after midnight. Abdul Kalam quotes, "If you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempts in learning. Accept your past without regret, handle your present with confidence, and face your future without fear. Black color is sentimentally bad, but every blackboard makes the student's life bright. Every pain gives a lesson, and every lesson changes a person." He had born on 15 October 1931 in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. Complete name of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is Abul Pakir Jainullah Deen Abdul Kalam. He died in Ceylon by sudden cardiac arrest in 2015. Bye-bye. See you next time.
My name is Amjivika. I am studying 3rd standard section. Now I am going to talk about APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam born on 15th October 1931, usually referred to as Dr. Abul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam, is an Indian scientist and administrator who served on the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. Kalam was born and raised in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. Studies physics at the St. Joseph College, Tiruchirappalli. Aerospace engineering at the Madras Institute of Technology, MIT, Chennai. Kalam is popularly known as the Missile Man of India for his work on the development of ballistic missile and launch. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Raj. I'm studying 3rd A, KV School, Meenambakam. Today is Abdul Kalam birthday and World Students Day. World Student Day is a global event celebrated on 15th October every year. Dr. Abdul Kalam was the President of India. He was a scientist. This day is dedicated to Dr. Abdul Kalam to the world. Don't read success stories. You will only get a message. Read value stories. You will get some ideas to get success. Students should be your only focus, and then success will be yours. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Purvik. Now I'm going to tell the